Hello everybody, this is Etin speaking to students of grade 11. Let's talk about subject math test 7, question 27. It's about the asymptotes of a function. We classify the asymptote as two parts. One is vertical asymptote, the other is horizontal asymptote. For vertical asymptote, we make the denominator equals 0 when x squared minus 1 equals 0, x equals positive 1 or negative 1. Therefore, choose option 2 as the vertical asymptote because when x squared minus 1 approach to 0, the numerator approach non-zero. Therefore, the fraction approach to positive infinity or negative infinity. We check it in the graph. Okay, see this. Okay, see this. Yeah. Therefore, x equals 1, x equals negative 1. It happens vertical asymptote. Then for horizontal asymptote, we let x go to infinity. Then check y go to for what? Okay, limit as x approaches infinity. The function value approaches to what? Okay, this equals to x minus 8 over x squared minus 1 as x approaches to infinity. The degree of the upper term is smaller than the degree of the lower term. Therefore, as x goes to infinity, it approaches to 0 because when up and down goes to infinity, the upper term goes to infinity fast and faster than the lower term goes to infinity. It's fast and faster than the upper term. Therefore, the total function value approaches to 0. Therefore, y equals 0 is the horizontal asymptote. We check in the graph. Yes, it is. It's about y equals 0. Then option 3 is correct. Therefore, choose D, 2 and 3 only. Okay, next. Okay, when we see the graph of trigonometric, we first check the period. Okay, in the graph, the period is about pi. Okay, total the period is 2 pi. We must know y equals tangent x or y equals cotangent x. The period is pi. Therefore, we delete some impossible choice. Option E is impossible. The period is pi. Option A is impossible because the period is pi over 2 half of pi. Then we check the option B, C, D. Okay, we check it by the graph. We note the characteristic. The important characteristic is here. Okay, we check that 0, negative 2 is on the graph. It's on the y-axis. Okay, we check it by calculator for B. When x equals 0, tangent 0 minus 2 for C. When x equals 0, tangent 0 minus 2 for D. For C is cotangent 0 minus 2. For D is cotangent 0 minus 2 equals cotangent of negative 2. Okay. We check B, C, D. Then we find that only choice B is correct because tangent 0 then minus 2 equals negative 2. Okay, finally, we graph it on a calculator. See this graph? Okay, so we make sure the option B is the true possible. Okay, next. Okay, subject math test 8, question 38. Let's talk about a rectangular prism with volume of 18. How many possible? Therefore, we assume the length, width, height as x, y, z. See this in the graph. It's about x, y, z. Therefore, we find the possible solution for the equation x, y, z such that x, y, z equals 18. How many possible? Without counting the solution repeated. Therefore, we discuss the solution from big to small. Hence, we assume that x is bigger than y is bigger than z. Okay, we check about x. It's about the biggest solution is 18. Yes. Therefore, 18 times 1 times 1 equals 18. It's one possible. The second for x is about 9. Yeah. 9 times 2 times 1 equals 18. It's the second possible. The third possible is about 6. Okay. 6 times 3 times 1. Yeah, it's the third possible. The fourth possible is about 3. 3 times 6. No. It's not the order of large to small. Hence, we cancel it. It's about 3 times 3 times 2 equals 18. It's the fourth possible. The fifth possible is about a 2. Oh, it's not possible because when this equals 2, the next term, it's not possible, right? Therefore, the total possible is 4 possible. Because when x equals 2, y equals 1, then z equals 9. It's possible. When x equals 2, y equals 2, then z equals not integer. It's impossible. Hence, the only possible is 4 possible. Choose C. Okay, see you.